We have nothing to hide. We have nothing.
I just really want you to talk to one of
We have
the.
nothing to hide.
Just hit your girl.
I didn't
Fight
hit
for whatever
her.
she is.
I did not
So
hit
you're under
her.
arrest for battery.
I did not.
What happens when the law forces an arrest, but the alleged victim says it never happened? This case tests the limits of Florida law.
We got.
We're fine. We're fine.
Let me
No,
talk.
We're fine.
Ma'am.
No, I don't want to.
We got
fine.
multiple calls. I just need to talk to you real quick.
No, we're fine. We have. I have that. And
Don't make it, man. Don't make it worse. We already got multiple calls.
make what worse? Am I in trouble?
You're not in trouble. I need to know. I need to find out what. I just,
Okay, so we just had an argument. Okay.
which is fine. People argue.
That's it. Okay, so can we just go to our gate and sit down?
Sir.
We just had
106.
We have nothing to hide. We have nothing to
I
hide.
just really want you to talk to one of
We
the
have nothing to hide.
witnesses. They keep saying that nothing happened.
no.
The
No,
male
we
and
just
female,
had
they
an
keep saying that
argument.
nothing
We
happened.
just had an argument. That's it. That's it.
Which is fine. People argue. I just need to find out what happened because we had multiple people.
Okay, I know you had multiple people. We just had multiple people.
Do you have your ID with you, man? Do you have your ID with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
No, sir, everything is fine. We just had an argument.
And I'm glad that you're in compliance. She's the one who's not in compliance. Thank you.
I'm not trying to be not in compliance. It's just that we had an argument.
Oh,
Which
I'm
is
sorry.
fine. That's fine. I got
I
it.
did not mean to start that. I did not.
I know.
I'm sorry.
And do you have your ID with you?
We got nothing to hide. We got nothing to hide.
We just had an argument.
My location gonna be by Ulele
That's all.
Cafe.
We got nothing to hide. Come on. We got nothing to hide. Seriously. Come on.
Okay, so what happened was he didn't come back to the table from the restaurant.
Let me talk to you real quick, and then I'll talk to you.
Okay, sir. He did not come back to the table. I had no idea where he was. I got upset. And I am upset. And he said he fell asleep at
So you
a
got
different
into,
table.
so you got like into a panic mode because you were
Because I'm by myself and I don't travel
okay.
well by myself
Okay.
at all. I don't travel a lot.
Okay. And that happened. That's why I'm trying to find out what happened.
Okay, well, this is what happened. And can we please just, like, fix it and go on our way?
That's what we're doing.
Okay. Let me talk to you on that side,
Sir.
and then just wait for me. I'll be with you. Okay. And it's fine. People get nervous when people travel. People get upset.
I am upset. I am
Are you
nervous.
under medication? Do you take medication for when you, and don't take this the wrong way. That maybe you take Xanax. you take
No, I
people
don't.
get nervous.
I don't.
Okay.
Okay, and all I take a beta blocker for blood pressure.
Okay.
That's it.
Just give me a couple of minutes.
But
What time is your flight?
it's soon.
120.
Okay. You know that the longer you keep postponing this, the longer you may not be able to fly. So I need to
Sir.
talk to him real quick. You keep distracting me. Let me talk to
Sir,
him and then just give me a couple of minutes.
but
Let me
I'm
talk to you
not-
on that
I
side.
didn't do
Okay.
anything wrong.
I'm sorry.
Stay on that side, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please stay over there.
Okay, let me talk to you real quick. So, what happened? Just like I told. Is she
Quite
your wife?
literally.
Is she your wife? Wife, girlfriend,
She's
friend?
my girlfriend.
Okay. So
I went to go to the bathroom, and I
just like I
sat
told.
down
Okay. Okay.
because I've been here since freaking 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
We've been drinking.
Okay.
I sat down, fell asleep.
Okay.
She got panicked and then freaked out. And then when I finally
Woke up.
woke up, came to her. She's like, where you been? You've been cheating on me, blah, blah. I'm like, whoa. I'm in the freaking airport.
Okay.
I've not been cheating on you. So it got a little bit heated.
Okay.
And I'm like, babe, please. Trust me, back the fuck off. And here we are.
Okay.
And here we are.
106. But then let me ask you something directly. So nobody was punching nobody, nothing whatsoever.
No.
But then she was just
No.
okay. So what's the more that maybe when you guys were walking, you guys were just trying to hold on to each other, but it was not intention to hit nobody.
That was holding each other up.
He was just holding. Okay, he was just holding, but not pushing or shoving.
No.
Okay. Just give me a couple of minutes.
No, just holding each other up, literally.
So
So we've been drinking since 7 o'clock.
Okay, stay here. Don't go there, okay? Just give me a couple of minutes. Okay. So are you guys going on vacation or this is where you guys live?
We're leaving here, going back to Denver.
So that's where you guys live?
Yeah, we live in Denver.
You guys, okay.
Yeah. She just moved to Denver, and I
So
live in Denver.
so this is the current location?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And that's your flight info?
Yeah. What's APD? Airport police?
So what's the flight number?
We
Oh,
missed
that's the
our
flight. Okay.
we missed our first flight, so now we're on standby.
So where are you guys flying? Oh, Denver, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay. 106.
Sir, I'm Officer Dastas. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great. Do me a favor.
Yeah. There you
Put your
go.
hands behind your back.
Why?
Why? Just hit your girl.
I didn't
Why?
hit
For
her.
whatever she is.
I did not
So
hit
you're under
her.
arrest for battery.
I did not hit her.
Okay.
Now, when you see that say that you bang, you hit her with the phone.
I did not. I did not. What are you doing? I did not hit her. Ask her.
So do you have this on camera or do you have the witness info?
I got all three witnesses.
I did not hit her.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Seriously.
So
Seriously, you need to walk.
Yeah.
okay, hold on. Let me. So Scorpio is here. He's gonna be having this. What is it? Okay.
Don't make it.
Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Okay.
Can I see boarding pass real quick so I can deny his ass boarding? I got the last one. Okay. Fitzpatrick.
There's multiple witnesses over here.
I got three witnesses.
You got them over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seriously. Let's look at the camera. I did not hit her. Ever. I walked with you. You don't need to die.
Martinez should be the trick court.
But seriously, I did not hit her.
Okay. So I'm gonna go this way to my.
The central question. When a statute removes the victim's voice from the arrest decision entirely, who does the law actually serve? Florida Statute Section 741 2000, 901 2. Arrest is mandatory when probable cause exists for domestic battery. Officers' discretion is eliminated. Florida Statute Section 784.3. Battery is any intentional physical contact against another's will, including contact made through a phone. Florida Statute Section 741.28 extends domestic violence jurisdiction to all dating relationships. Cohabitation is not required. Florida Statute Section 901.15 authorizes warrantless arrest for domestic violence misdemeanors not witnessed by the officer. That is the statutory basis for the arrest in this footage. Illinois v. Gates 1983. Probable cause is determined by the totality of all circumstances. Multiple independent 911 reports substantially satisfy this threshold without requiring victim cooperation. Graham v. Connor 1989. The legality in multivitamins, the legality of an arrest assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not through hindsight. Maryland v. Pringle, 2003. Third-party witness accounts can independently establish probable cause. A subject's denial at the time of arrest does not, on its own, defeat it. Florida Statute Section 741. 29 requires incident reports to document the victim's statement verbatim, including any denial. That denial enters the record and is material to any prosecution decision. The mandatory arrest design reflects a legislative judgment. Domestic violence victims frequently recant under coercion. The statute removes officer discretion precisely to prevent that dynamic from defeating accountability. It's lesson 1. A victim's on-camera denial does not prevent arrest under Florida law, but it does not disappear. It becomes exculpatory evidence the state attorney must weigh before filing charges. Lesson 2. Voluntary statements made without invoking the Fifth Amendment become part of the evidentiary record. In this footage, candor by both subjects cut in opposite directions at once.